My PS3 USB ports are not working the way that they should be working. Half the life of my PlayStation 3, I was using wireless controllers. And now for the last 15 months, wired controllers. No GTA, no NASCAR 14, no PS3 console games until I figure out a way how to fix those ports. I got my PS3 in 2009 or 2010, and it was on Christmas Eve. I can't remember what year I got my PS3. I was with PS2 from the day it came out to 2009 or 2010. I will attempt to capture PlayStation 1 gameplay videos from NASCAR 99 to Donald Duck's Going Quackers, Hardcore 4x4 Racing, and a couple other games that I have. Those games will be PS1 console gameplay video ideas. For the PS1, since my PS3 is on the fritz. I hate using that word, but I feel I have to use it in this scenario. If I need to replace those ports, I have an old Windows XP 2000 desktop that I can use for parts. I'll be doing solitaire games and hill climb racing and monster truck destruction for the games for the videos. Please stay tuned for more. This is GAMV2 signing off. P.S. I just ordered a game for the PlayStation 1. The game is WWF Warzone. I have a small selection of games that are here in this house for the PS1. I ordered the game on Monday, and it should be here anytime by the 23rd of May. I played a similar looking game on the PS2, and that game was SmackDown or SmackDown Shut Your Mouth. Anyway, the USB ports on my PS3 are not working at the moment while I attempt on trying to fix it. But anyway, I will be making an account on my laptop for Xbox and Microsoft games. That way I can have you people add me and hopefully be able to play games together and all sorts of stuff when I'm at a Wi-Fi zone. That way I can use the gameplay footage and put it on my YouTube channel for all of you to see, and that will be any game I can try and download onto my laptop, and I'll see to it. I will also use it for my business email account for this channel, and Jeffrey Arnold McNeil V2. This is Jeffrey Arnold McNeil PG signing off till next time. Before I say anything, until I figure out what's wrong with my PlayStation, I lost the one thing that really entertained me. My happiness right now is gone until I fix it. Even though I don't know how to fix it. I lost the box it came in, and I don't have the finances to send it to the factory. I don't even have enough money to even buy a new one, and I don't have Wi-Fi to re-download the games I downloaded. If you have a suggestion, please leave it in the comments below. Remember, the USB ports will not accept any controller. It even says I can't even turn it on without it saying connect the controller to the USB port. It won't go to the main screen. It just shows only the screen with the wording that says please connect the controller into the USB ports. I tried doing that. No attempt for the controllers to light up the way it should be. Like I said, bye.